Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we're going to see how you can use Gboard on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So Gboard is basically Google Keyboard. In order to use this keyboard, you have to first of all download the app Gboard from your app store. It can simply be available in there. Here you can see this is the app that you want to download. So after making sure that you have downloaded this on your phone, you can simply just open the app and then tap on Get Started. After doing so, you can tap on Get Started again. And now this will take you to the settings of your Gboard. Well, you have to tap on Keyboards and then tap on this toggle button like this. And now again, tap on Allow Full Access if you want Gboard to have the full access of your keyboard. Just like this, again tap on Allow. And now you are all set. In order to check it, you can open your keyboard. So right now, when I open the keyboard here, you can see this is the current Apple keyboard. So in order to enable the G keyboard successfully, you have to tap on this globe icon right here. And then here you can see this is the Google keyboard. And now in here you can see there are a lot of Google keyboard features that you can use. And just like this, you can use your Google keyboard on your iPhone. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.